Hey everyone, and welcome to TestingToys.com, and in today's video we will be taking a look at the Extreme Bouncy Balls DIY Kit. In this kit you're able to make your own bouncy balls. It can be like glow in the dark, or it can even light up with an LED. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. So in this pack it comes with an instruction booklet with multiple projects of different kinds of cool books and balls. So in this, it includes, this is the glow-in-the-dark sachet full of the glow-in-the-dark crystals. We've got different colors of just normal balls. So you can make like a rainbow ball or like a neon one, which is really cool. It comes with two sides of a circle. These are like little molds, so you would put the sachets in here and then like pour water on it and it'll turn into a ball. And then it comes with a special LED which lights up on motion, so you'd be like. So today I will be making the glow-in-the-dark layered ball. It will have different cool colors and it will be glow-in-the-dark as well, so when you put it in the dark it'll light. So for the colors that I'll be using will be purple, green and white, and I'll also be using the glow-in-the-dark pack, which is a special pack full of the glow-in-the-dark crystals. You also need a little bit of dishwashing liquid so the crystals don't stick and mess up your ball. We won't be needing the LED, and we've also got the two molds. We also have a measuring cup for us to dip this in and make it form together. So these will be the instructions that I will be following. Okay, so let's get started. So after I filled it up, I'm shaking it just a little bit, just to make sure that there are no air patches in here. We then need to add just like a drop of dishwashing liquid into it. Yeah, that'll do.
A few moments later.
So it's been 3 minutes. And we're taking this out. It's popped off the mold just a little bit, as you can see. It hasn't broken it, it's just popped it off. Whoa. So cool. It's a bit hard to take the other side off. There it is. It's still a little bit wet and soggy, but once it dries it should be really cool. I'm gonna leave this to dry and then you can see it glow in the dark. Woohoo! Okay, let me go wash my hands.